Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with another study vlog where I must say it's not a study vlog. It's first time of productive Sunday in my life. So yes, as usual I woke up in the morning and I went to my backyard. Well, it was very refreshing. Hawa chal rahi thi and I walked there a little bit. Then it was almost about to rain, so I came back to my kitchen and I started making coffee for myself, the only energy booster which can energize me. So after having it straight, I started taking the lecture. Well, recently only I have joined the batch, so I have many backlog. I started physics lecture with kinematics. I'm just resuming the basic maths for July. So yes, I'll be taking kinematics only and basic maths I'll take afterwards. Well, this lecture was completed and then I started cleaning my messy room. And first of all, I arranged my bed sheet, I changed it, and then I started arranging my desk. After cleaning my desk, I started making timetable for me, my to-do list. In that I included everything, my time, at what time I'm going to do that particular chapter, everything I wrote it and then I sticked it on the wall. Then again I started taking the lecture of MR sir. Well, today in my to-do list I have mentioned that today I have to take 3 lectures of physics and 2 lectures of chemistry. And chemistry I don't have any backlog, so I am free, no stress about chemistry. Then after completing the lecture of MR sir, this was second lecture I was taking, so yes, I have completed it. I thought of having a break, so well, I was getting too many shots for cheesecake, so I thought of just trying it. So I tried it out, whatever the thing I had, whatever the cheese, everything, I mixed it out and I kept it in the fridge. Then again I started taking the lecture of Sir Amit Mahajan. I was taking the lecture of thermodynamics, he has started it. Well, I was making notes also along with it, and then I started reading the chemistry. This time I have decided whatever the things he is covering in his lecture, whatever the topics, that all the topics I am going to cover in NCERT also as soon as my lecture gets over. So yes, I started reading the NCERT also and I covered those topics whatever he has covered in the lectures. And then after reading the NCERT, I had no patience. I went to check my cheesecake and I was really very disappointed because it almost tasted like mango ice cream rather than a cheesecake. And unfortunately, I must accept this key, my cooking skills are not good. So yes, but I'm really happy कि at least I tried it. Then yeah, it was a productive day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.